Finland has spent the last 5 years selecting new fighter aircraft with air-to-surface and air-to-sea capabilities to protect its 1,300-kilometer border with Russia, hoping to deter Russian aggression. The planes will replace 64 Boeing F-18 Hornets that will be phased out between 2025 and 2030, with the new fighters remaining in service into the 2060s. Despite the country's economic problems as a result of the COVID-19 outbreak, Finland's Ministry of Defense in August requested a staggering 54% increase in military spending to $5.8 billion by 2021, €4.87 billion, with HX competition making up the majority. From increasing Finnish Air Force, FAF, proposed to the government that the F-35 be selected as the country's next fighter jet after evaluating competitors for the HX competition. Finnish media outlet Iltalehti reported on Sunday. Finland has allowed manufacturers to create aircraft and weapons packages that best meet the Air Force's operational demands and the country's budget, rather than state requirements for a specific number of aircraft with unique capabilities. The F-35, manufactured by Lockheed Martin, was one of 5 aircraft delivered to Finland, in addition to the Saab Gripen, Boeing Super Hornet, Eurofighter and French Rafale. According to Iltalehti, citing an unnamed number of defense and security policy sources, the F-35 fleet will be purchased due to its superior capability and lifespan. The package offered to Finland was approved by the U.S. State Department in October 2020. It includes up to 64 F-35s, plus a wide array of weapons, parts and logistics, training, support systems packages.
Why the F-35 fighter jet? The F-35A represents a possible technical breakthrough for Finland, as the combination of stealth and superior sensors allows it to safely infiltrate hostile airspace and, potentially, detect and attack enemy jets before being seen in return. Additionally, the F-35 is also in service with the Norwegian Air Force, apparently designed and tested to perform well in cold weather. The FAF's current combat capabilities include 55 upgraded F-18Cs and 7 two-seat F-18Ds assigned to Fighter Squadrons 31 and 11, respectively, based in central and northern Finland. In the event of a crisis, a third training squadron of Bay Eagle aircraft may act as light attack aircraft. Finland has deployed the Hornets to pursue Russian aircraft near land and sea borders on several instances in recent years, accusing them of violating sovereign airspace. Finland will also have to contend with Russian GPS jamming, as well as other offensive Russian maneuvers. As a result, whatever aircraft the Finns purchase should be able to combat Russian air defenses, making stealth the most important consideration. Taking these factors into account, the F-35 would be the most appropriate choice for Finland.